Okay, so this is the finished product. All right. We have here the lentils. All right. And we have the curry chicken. Looks pretty good. Nice brown sear. I can actually drizzle it with more curry sauce if I decide to. I'm trying to get out of the shadow here. There we go. All right. So there we have the lentils. We have the curry chicken. And then the mashed potatoes with the curry sauce. So that's how I'll plate it. It's good looking food and it's healthy for you. All from scratch, my friends.